Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Plan With Me. So this week I'm actually using the holiday gift wrapping kit in the vertical size, and I only pulled out the 4-page kit, and I'm using it inside my A5 inserts. I've been playing around different planners this past like month or so, or past couple of months, because I'm still not sure what planner I'm using for next year. Leave a comment down below telling me which planner you're planning on using, because if there's a planner out there I haven't actually used, maybe I will use that one for next year because I'm still not sure. Preferably it's if it's a vertical planner, but I have been eyeing a couple of horizontal ones because I kind of like the way that they're laid out. But again, just let me know which planner you are using for next year down below. And now you can also find these inserts and kit in the shop. And because you clicked this video, you can also get 25% off using the code Nutcracker up until Christmas. I'll link those down below with the code, the kit and the inserts and everything I'm using for this Plan With Me, as well as the code if you want to shop. Now, this week is actually a bit hectic on the account that Black Friday was this weekend or this past weekend. So my work planner, which is this one, is kind of the same all week in terms of what I was working on. Um, like from Monday to like Thursday, since I've just been working on orders. But I think with everything going on, it's also a good thing that I sat down and filmed, because I haven't done that in a while. And to kind of like break things down just a tad, I'm also giving myself a break on doing things. So anyway, for the most part, I usually just add in all of my full boxes, and then I kind of just add them in throughout like the planner. And from there on, I just add in all of my checklists, half boxes, deco stickers, and any icons and sparkles. I'm going to call it sparkle that I want. So the ones I'm using now are actually glitter vinyl headers. I love using these as dividers to break things up, but they do have a variety of uses. Some people actually use these as the top of like the dates, and then just add in their own like dates on top, kind of like as if it was washi. But I like using these to add a bit of sparkle. So again, I like using these as like divider to kind of like break things up just a tiny bit. Sometimes I will add in a script header on top of them, or down like right below them. But for now, I'm actually just using them as a bit of sparkle since I feel like I needed some sparkle in this kit. Now, since these inserts don't have a sidebar, I'm adding what I need to remember to track on the bottom of the page, like these Happy Mail trackers. I usually track things in like half boxes or quarter boxes sometimes, but since I did a bit of shopping this past weekend, Happy Mail trackers are my best bet. Plus, I don't really need to track a whole bunch of things normally. So for the most part, I will actually add them throughout the week or put them in on either Monday or Sunday. But that's only in case the planner I'm using doesn't actually have a sidebar. So normally I like using half boxes to track important things going on each day. For example, Friday is new releases in the shop, and Monday was obviously Cyber Monday. But I also like adding a daily reminder for them as well. So sometimes I will scatter them throughout like the week. By the way, in case you missed out on the pre-order for the 12 days of stickers, the last release I have released is actually up now. They start technically on December 13th, so they might just get to you right on time if you order them like right now. They will get taken down on Tuesday, so you still have a few more days to get yours. Again, they do start on the 13th though, so if case you order them on Tuesday, there's like no guarantee that they will get to you in time. Everything inside can be used any time of the year, so no worries on that. After the half boxes get placed down, I like adding a bit of icons since they're a bit more visual for me, and for the most part I'll layer them on top of boxes, but sometimes just tapping them there is a good reminder of what they stand for, such as the makeup brushes. I usually add those in to remind myself to clean my makeup brushes. Now, this foil sheet is actually a self-care challenges sheet. these were a request a few months ago, and I love using them every once in a while. Since I technically filmed this a bit later in the week, I added the ones I knew were relevant, such as the Treat Yourself sticker for, Cyber Monday, and the Watch a Movie for Friday. By the way, what have you been watching this season? I know Marvelous Mrs. Maisel comes back on Prime on Friday, but I know there's a ton of new holiday movies out, and I have no idea what to watch. So if you have some suggestions for me to watch first, please let me know. Finally, I'm adding a few date dots and a few cleared boxes. Technically, the clear foiled boxes are not in the shop at the moment, but they will be coming back soon. So stay tuned for the new revamped versions. They'll be coming to the shop most likely in January. So stay tuned for all of the overlay stickers to come back. Now, usually after I kind of finish my planner, I kind of would look to see if there's anything I can add to it, such as any icons or boxes. So that's kind of just what I did and added a box for Tuesday. What? This is different even for me. So I usually never write in my planner when I film Plan With Me's, but I figured you guys should see this filled in after all. So I'm just gonna take the time and do that for you. Don't forget you can use the code Nutcracker for 25% off all through December 25th. And that is it for this week's Plan With Me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.